So where is the destination now?
We're gonna go to a cave. It's a new place.
Oh, they call it agave or?
Agave, a cave.
Yeah. All right. You know where it's at?
I sure do know. I've never been there, but.
Oh. Thank you.